Thanks for stopping by, everyone. My name is Jeff, and in today's video, we are going to talk about the exciting new news that M1 Finance just come out with today. So I literally just got this email about 30 minutes ago. I actually had another video I was going to start working on, but I want to share this with everybody. Guys, this is one of the best referral bonuses, probably the best referral bonus that I have ever seen a company giving out. And if you have not signed up for an M1 Finance account, I think January 2019 would be the time to do it. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to talk about the referral bonus. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can get it, and then hang around to the end of the video, and I'm going to go over the M1 Finance portfolio that I manage here for the channel, because I have made some changes in it. All right, guys, so it says kick 2019 off on a high note. We asked, and nearly 2/3 of you said you plan on setting investment goals for 2019. That would be me. I hope all of you are ready for a big year. I know I am, and we think that's pretty awesome. Even more awesome, this month only, we're also upping our referral bonuses, so you and a friend will each earn $25 to invest when they sign up and fund their account through your unique link. So guys, this is huge. I mean, I can't think of another broker. I can't think of a Robinhood, a Webull, another broker that's going to give you $25 free, to open a brokerage account. This is awesome. You could fund your account, get your $25 free, and then pull all of your money back out and just get $25 free if you wanted to. Now, in my opinion, you're a whole lot better off investing that money into the stock market, or just get a good dividend paying stock or a good dividend paying ETF. I think you'll get a lot more return on it. But I can also understand times are tough and people need money. And like I said, 25 free bucks is 25 free bucks. So this is exactly how it works right here, guys. You give 25, you get 25, okay? So invite your friends. That would be you. When you sign up for your M1 Finance account, you will get $25, and I will as well. And you can automatically invest that for free. So I will have a link down in the comment section if you would like to sign up off of that one. And I believe just for a regular cash account, you only have to fund it up to $100. So, sign up for an account, fund $100, and get your free 25. My experience with this, it does take about a week or two for the referral bonuses to come in, but they will come in, and M1 is a great company to work with. Every time I've had to contact them, reach them, they're always so much help. Just a few weeks ago, I had to contact them over a customer that was asking me about the referral bonus, and they went ahead and put it in that day. It was actually pending, and it was going to be deposited 4 days later, but they went ahead and paid it out that day, okay? So I got nothing but high praise for M1, and like I said, I will have a link down in the comment section if you want to use my link, like I said, and get the $25 free. Now, guys, let's go over the M1 Finance portfolio that I manage here on the channel. So I started this one about 2 months ago, right into the market decline. I am really proud of some of the prices that we've got on these stocks, and I look forward to continue buying into some of these discounts that we're getting. I also have another one, and it's set up for a Roth IRA. I'm doing a lot better in that account, but then again, I've been managing it for over a year. So I'm still well into the green in that account. And this one here, like I said, right now we're sitting on about an 11% overall loss, which compared to the traditional market and compared to all of the indexes, an 11% loss is actually quite good in an overall sense, because the markets are still declined somewhere between 15 and 20%. It is outperforming the stock market quite a bit, Every time I contribute to my M1 Finance portfolio, I wait for a day that we're really, really far declined, and then I just buy a little bit of all these stocks. So let's go through some of the changes I made real quick, guys. Like I said, Google and Amazon are still my number 1 and number 2 picks. I both have 20% allocated for those two stocks. JP Morgan Chase still holding about 10% there. Now, as you can see over here, the actual percentage has changed, where I've just went and bought pieces of other stocks. I wanted to get a little bit more backbone in this portfolio, and that's why I've taken positions in other things, but we will get to that in just a minute. And like I said, Apple, Take-Two Interactive. Now right here, guys, this is where some of the change has taken place in this portfolio. So I've taken a position in the Spider S&P 500 index. the Triple Q's Invesco Trust Series, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average Spider, okay? So I wanted positions in each one of these guys just to add a little bit more stability, kind of eliminate a little bit of volatility in this account, and so far it has performed great. So these two are probably the two I'm most proud of right here, guys, because we're only sitting on about an 8% loss on Amazon. Like I said, our average share price on Amazon is $1,642. You know, that is really good in my opinion. And then Google, guys, I'm probably the most proud of this position in Google. We are only down 2%. Google is my favorite tech company. I think it is the most stable. Of course, this video you're watching right now is on YouTube. Google owns YouTube. They do all the advertising for YouTube. Google is just the boss, okay? Google is just got their hand in everything, and I really love both of those companies. I also think it is really well positioned to start running back up when we get into a bull market. And we're down about 10% on JP Morgan Chase. We're down around 26% on Apple. Now listen, down 26% on Apple, but I'm only down $6. So that's tolerance I don't mind having in my portfolio. Like, for example, when some of my passive income streams start coming in, I will go directly to this position and average it down some more. I'll wait for a day where we take a big decline and I'll buy another big piece of Apple to average that down more. But you know, down $6 on a position, that's not going to keep me up at night. Very comfortable there. We're down about 10% on Take-Two Interactive. And here is where it gets really good and the numbers start getting cleaned up. So we're only down 1% on the S&P 500. We're down about 2% on the NASDAQ. And we're down about 1.4% on the Dow Jones. So I'm doing really well there. You know, really good performance. Like I said, adding some stability and some backbone to this portfolio, giving us some strength with dividends as well. And then down here at the bottom is a little bit more of our high risk positions. So like MJ, we're down 22% on MJ. I would like to average that down over the month of January. MasterCard's doing pretty good. We're only down about 4%. USD is performing very well. We're only down about 2%. Disney, we're down about 5%. The PPA, Invesco Aerospace and Defense ETF, that's down about 15%. I want to focus some funds into that as well. Alibaba, we're down 9%. In Tesla, we're down about 15%. But like I said, from overall performance, and especially comparing it to the stock market, you know, and the way the stock market ended 2018, we are in really good shape, guys. And when the market recovers, this portfolio is gonna take off. I promise you. That's why I wanted to make a video to kind of get people motivated. Right now would be a great time to start. Of course, I said the same thing back in October, November, December, because that's when you want to buy. You want to be buying stocks when the market is in a decline, and every opportunity you get to average them down, you want to take that. So when the stocks start going up and we get some good gains, that's when you want to start thinking about selling. But when the stocks are going down, that's a great time to buy. So anyways, guys, that's all I got for today's video. If you have not signed up for an M1 Finance account, make sure you use the link and get your free $25, guys. That offer expires in the month of January. But they do run a lot of promotions, so you might have another opportunity down the road again. Drop this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, guys, and have a great day.